Hey guys, in this video I want to talk to you about 5 things that you definitely need when you're shooting in the studio. It's going to make your life a lot easier. You've got a camera, you've got lights, you want to start shooting. You know, these are some other items that'll just take your work to the next level. So the first thing is Cinefoil. So if you guys don't know, Cinefoil is basically like aluminum foil. It's thicker though and it's black. You can get it in different size rolls, and essentially you can do all kinds of stuff with this. You can make a snoot with it to control your light. You can make a cookie with it. You can just do anything. You flag things. It's super useful. You punch it up, you use it again, you keep it around. Definitely grab a roll of this when you get a chance. Cinefoil is definitely my #1. So if you guys probably know about gaffer's tape, that's what everybody talks about, gaffer's tape. Spike tape is basically, well, it's gaffer spike tape, is smaller tape. It's usually 1/2 inch and it comes in a variety of different colors. I use this to mark stuff. You put this on each end of your cable so that when you put one in the wall and you put it over there, you know what's what. You put it on the ground so people have places to stand. They know, okay, my spot's here, your spot's there. Get a few different colors. Know what they're for. Use them for different stuff. Like I always put green on all my equipment. I put yellow on other things, stuff like that. So spike tape would be my #2. This I talk about all the time if you guys haven't seen it. This is a 650 pin. So basically what this does is if you use a C-stand, you can see I have a C-stand here, and you want to put a light on it, do not put the light on this end. You gotta put the light on this end, on the grip head side. And what you're gonna do is put your 650 pin through. That gives you a good strong place to put the light. It's not gonna tip, it's not gonna roll, sits right on there, and if you wanted to put your light upside down, even if you didn't tighten it, it's not going anywhere, right? That's what it's for. 650 pin, really cheap. If you use C-stands, you definitely should have that. Another thing you wanna have around is to do your white balance. You're in the studio, you think, well, I have studio strobes, you know, it's gonna be balanced out anyways. You might as well, you're sitting there, you're tethered, hopefully if you're in the studio, and you want to make sure your white balance is correct. I love these Photovision cards. This one's the 14 inch, it's a little bit more expensive. You can get a 6-inch one as well, but I like this one because it's got the, the silver on the back, used as a reflector. Finally, speaking of reflectors, foam core, right? You get it in different colors. This one is black. You can see the holes do not come with it. You gotta do that yourself. You get black, you get white, different sizes, right? They sell those pop-up reflectors. They're super good if you're on location, but you're in the studio. You can get tons of this stuff, use it. You can use it as a place to shoot your items. You can use it as background. You can use it to reflect. Foam core is super good to have. You can grab it anywhere, get some of that. So hopefully this helped you guys. If there's anything else you want to know about, you want to know more information about any of these items, put it below. If you use something that you use in the studio and you really love that, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll see you next time. Cinefoil is basically really thick aluminum foil, kind of like